Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
10 tips for eye care for newborn babies. Hi mommies! Now that your baby is born and you look right into your baby's eyes and you notice there is something and it definitely worries you. Today I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you about eye care in your newborn babies. Eye care for newborn babies is very important as their eyes are still developing and are very sensitive. Here are 10 simple tips for eye care for your newborn baby. 1. Keep their eyes clean. Use a clean, damp cloth to gently wipe your baby's eyes from inside to the outside corner. Use a different part of the cloth for each eye to avoid spreading infection. I would like to share my personal experience as how I maintain my children's eyes. My husband is an ophthalmologist and he gave me a simple trick. I would boil water in a bowl on the gas. Once it starts boiling, I would take little cotton and put it in that. And slow the gas, cover it and boil it for 20 minutes. That actually sterilizes the cotton completely. Once the temperature has become bearable, then I would wash my hands nicely, take the cotton, dry it a little bit and then wipe the eyes of my baby from inside out. Little bit for one eye and little cotton for the other eye. So this is something that I practice, even you can do that. 2. Use breast milk. This is a very old Indian tradition. If your baby's eyes are red or irritated, you can use a few drops of breast milk to help soothe and clean their eyes. Simply apply the milk with a clean finger or cotton ball. But you can ask your doctor before doing this. 3. Avoid using eye drops. Use eye drops only on the doctor's prescription. Please consult an ophthalmologist for that. No self-medicating with eye drops as that can be dangerous. 4. Keep your baby away from smoke. Second-hand smoke can be harmful to your baby's eyes and can increase their risk of eye infections. So if somebody is smoking around that area, make sure you take the baby away from there. 5. Avoid touching their eyes. It's important to avoid touching your baby's eyes as this can introduce bacteria and cause infection. 6. Use a sun hat or shade. When you're going out, protect your baby's eyes from the sun by using a sun hat or keeping them in the shade. 7. Keep the toys clean. Toys can harbor bacteria and other germs that can cause eye infections. Be sure to clean your baby's toys regularly. 8. Keep an eye on their eye movements. Little bit of squint in so many children is very normal. But if you notice that your baby's eyes are not tracking or moving together, or if you notice a constant drift or turning of one eye, remember to consult your ophthalmologist. 9. Get regular eye checkups. Regular eye checkups are important for your baby's eye health. Talk to your doctor about when your baby should have their first eye examination. 10. Look for signs of infection. Signs of an eye infection in a newborn baby can include redness, discharge, and swelling. If you notice any of these symptoms, contact your ophthalmologist right away. These are all very medical-oriented advices that I gave you. But some simple things. Don't have very harsh lights around the baby. If the baby is in the room and you have lots of ceiling lights, remember to dim them or switch them off. When the baby is sleeping, make sure that the baby is sleeping in darkness or minimal night lamp. Another common thing what we do is taking pictures with flashes. Avoid that kind of flash for your baby. By just following these simple tricks, your baby will have nice healthy eyes and he will be able to see the whole world nicely. Thank you and namaste.